So, products and quotients. So, when it says WRT, it means with respect to. So, differentiate the following with respect to x. At the moment, we don't know how to differentiate that, but we do know it's not in differentiable form. So, we have to multiply it out. I've done the multiply out just up here. So, x squared plus 2x plus 1. So, f dashed x, 2x to the 1 plus 2. Remember, the x disappears, leaving you the 2, and the number just disappears completely. Okay, for the second one, slightly different notation. This means differentiate what's in the brackets with respect to x. So it's d by dx of that. So it's not in differentiable form. So x over x, 1 over x, we split up to a common denominator. So that becomes 1 and that becomes x to the negative 1. When we differentiate, that disappears. Power down multiply, so we get negative 1 x to the negative 2, which is negative 1 over x squared. For c, again, we have to multiply out our bracket. So let's put these in power form. So it's x to the half, and 2x to the 1. Don't have to put the 1, you should remember that. X to the half times x to the half, base to a power times the same base to another power. Remember, add the indices. So that those two multiplying becomes x to the 1. And this is 2x, or 1 out of half is 3 over 2. So when we differentiate the x, it's 1x to the 1, so it just becomes 1. And here, the 2's cancel, leaving us the 3, because it's 3 over 2 times 2. So 3x to the half, which is 1 plus 3 root x. For this one, x to the x plus 1 over x times x minus 1 over x, put it in power form. You should spot that it's in the form of a difference of two squares. It's the same two coefficients with a change of sign. So it's the first term squared minus the second term squared. So it's x squared minus x to the negative 1 squared, which is x to the negative 2. So power down multiply, so 2x minus minus plus 2x to the negative 3, which is 2x plus 2 over x cubed. Last example, slightly trickier one. Here we've got to multiply out the top, and we've got to separate the coefficient, or separate them into separate fractions. So multiplying out the top, the underneath is x to the half. So x squared over x to the half, 4x over x to the half, and 3 over x to the half. So x to the 3 over 2, 4x to the half, 3x to the negative a half. So it's 3 over 2 x to the half, plus 2x to the negative a half, minus 3 over 2 x to the negative 3 over 2. So it's 3 over 2 square root x, plus 2 over root x, minus 3 over 2 square root x cubed.